Little cheat sheets. Yes, I took some of them out. So it's cute. For morning glory. It's cute. It really is. Load of lip balm. That smells growly. I haven't had food yet since reading. Nice dress. Yippee! It's been through a lot. Like, ignore the stickers, but I've had them for a while, like 2 years. So, it's cute. It's very spacious. It's quite spacious. It's very cute. I still have a lot of stuff to put in, and it's not even full. It's not full. I'm heading off now.